guys, and welcome here. My name is Yassine and welcome back to another of my courses. So before we even start this class, I'd like to thank you all for joining once again my course. And I'm really happy and glad to be able to teach you about this topic today. So basically we are going to cover all the elements around Instagram as well as Instagram marketing. And basically by the end of this class, you guys should have a strong understanding and strong basics about this app. So let's start. All right, so basically, as I said, this class is really to introduce you to the basics of Instagram, how Instagram works, basically how you guys can make ads on Instagram, and plenty of other really interesting things that will allow you to really understand a little bit more this application that you guys probably use on a daily basis, but don't really monetize it. So basically the goal of this course is pretty simple, is really helping you out and giving you the tools to be able to go and reach with your business more consumers, more clients with the use of Instagram. And basically you are going to learn to do this really the right way. You'll see it's not that complicated. So basically what exactly is the goal of this course? So the first thing is really helping you understand what exactly is Instagram and how marketing on Instagram works. So when we're talking about Instagram, as I said a little bit before, it's a really popular application. Basically, almost everybody uses this application. So by understanding how this application works and how you can implement your business inside of this application, so basically creating a profile really for your business, can help you reach a higher amount of people. So basically, as I said, the goal here, well, the first thing will really be to help you guys out understand what exactly is Instagram and how all this works. Then we're going to learn to create marketing campaigns on Instagram. So when I'm talking about marketing campaigns, I'm not only talking about paid ads, I'm really talking about everything from A to Z. So here I wrote down marketing campaign just to explain it a little bit basically. But basically what I'm trying to mean there is really to create your account, really setting up everything, really building up your account from A to Z, uploading pictures, uploading content, liking content, using hashtags, being able to, basically using stories to promote yourself, following the right audience, finding the right audience, following the right audience, liking the right pictures. And basically, we're going to talk about all this and how you can pretty much, improve your Instagram knowledge by using all those tips. Also, we're going to understand all the basics around this app and how you can use it for your business. So basically, this is exactly what I said. Not only we're going to do this, but we're also going to talk about the analytics. So basically different analytics that exists in Instagram, how you can understand those analytics and basically how you can use them at your advantage to basically be able to work with Instagram in a more efficient way. We're also going to cover many other things. So I'll go through the course curriculum in the next few slides. Well, the next slide. All right, so basically what will you be able to do by the end of this course? So pretty much anything that is around Instagram, you will be able to understand it, or you will have basic knowledge around it. Once again, I'm not saying that by the end of this course, you guys will become a professional Instagram advertiser or a professional marketing specialist or anything like that. No, my goal here is really to give you the basic understandings and basic concepts around this application to help you use it in the right way. So basically how people use this application usually when they're creating an Instagram account for their businesses is pretty simple. They just create the account, they post 2-3 pictures, and they don't touch the account anymore, or they're just posting pictures from week to week or things like that. But basically it's really more complicated than this. Usually there are times in the day that you guys should post. There is a minimum amount of pictures or content that you guys should post every week. So we're going to cover all this. So we're going to cover the power of stories. So basically how you can reach your consumers or your auditory with your Instagram stories, how you can see if your community is loyal to you, yes or no. how you can sell products directly on Instagram, and plenty of other things. So here I wrote down the 3 things that in my opinion are the most important when we're talking about what you will be able to do by the end of this course. So the first thing will be creating and running efficiently an Instagram account for your business. So we're going to do this in this course. So basically we're going to create an Instagram account. Basically I'm going to mostly work with the computer version of Instagram. It's pretty much the same thing as the cell phone version, but for the purpose of this course, we're going to use the computer version. So basically, as I said, we're going to learn how to create an Instagram account. So we're going to do it. We're going to create really a business Instagram account. We're going to see the differences between a personal and a business account on Instagram, and how using a business Instagram account the right way. Then we're going to understand how to find and attract the right consumers for your business. So basically Instagram, as I said, it's a huge platform, and there are plenty of people on this platform as well, actually. And basically in those millions and millions of people, you need to really spot the right audience that will be, in your opinion, good for your business. So basically you should know approximately who should be your right audience. And basically what we're going to do in this class, well, in this course, we're going to see how we can go and reach this particular audience. You'll see it's not that complicated reaching that audience. Well, the first thing you need to know who is this audience. Then you will be able to reach it. So basically we're going to reach it through ads. We're going to use different techniques and strategies that doesn't require you to purchase ads to reach them. So we're going to see paid ways that you guys can reach this audience, and we're going to see non-paid ways that you guys can reach out to this audience. Finally, you will learn different ways that you can attract consumers and generate an income for your business with this app. So basically, not only we're going to talk about what I just mentioned, but we're also going to talk about different ways that people generate income on Instagram. So basically, we're going to talk about influencers. We're going to talk about basically ways that you guys can make money with your Instagram account without necessarily having a business. So basically, if you don't have a product that you want to sell, but you want to have an Instagram account that you want to use to basically make money. We're going to talk about different ways that you guys can monetize your Instagram activity. If you're, for example, an Instagram addict and want to monetize your activity, or you own different memes page and you want to be able to monetize them, or all this kind of stuff. So basically we'll try to cover all of this. So before we start the course, I just want to go through the course curriculum so you guys will a little bit understand what we'll go through in this class. So basically the first few things that we are going to talk about in this course, well, don't worry, I'll go a little bit more in depth in the next few classes. So basically we're going to talk, well, the first thing that we're going to talk right now, I'm going to introduce the course. Then we're going to really create an Instagram account. So basically we're going to understand how you guys can create an Instagram account. We're going also to talk about the benefits of using Instagram for your business. We're going to talk about your competition. We're going to try to understand your competition. We're going to talk about the differences between a personal and a business account, and plenty of other things. So you'll see, guys, it's really, really interesting. So as I said, I'm not going to go too much in depth in the course curriculum, but basically, as you can see, we're really going to touch all the features that exist in Instagram, and all this for the purpose that you guys really understand this app and how you can use it for your business. So that's it for this class, guys, and see you all in our next class.